Hello guys, welcome back to our to-do list series. In the last video, you must have seen the tool we are building in this series. In this part we will start coding, so let's switch to Visual Studio Code and start coding. First of all, add 3 different files to our project folder: index.html, main.css, and main.js. Now go to index.html and start with basic HTML structure, also called boilerplate code. Now create a div with class container. This div will act as a main wrapper for rest of the content. Inside container div, add another div with class name sidebar. This sidebar div will hold the text box, add task button, and a heading, which we will add as we move forward in the video. As of now, let's first design the basic layout for our to-do list application. Add another div inside container with class display. This div will hold task status and list of tasks in it. Inside display, add a div with class task status. This section will hold the total tasks count and the completed tasks count. Inside display, add another div with class task holder and ID task grid. Task holder will hold the list of tasks in it. Now let's give some styling to our components. For that, add a link tag in the head section to link main.css file with index.html file. This way of styling is called external styling. This is the best practice and it helps you to keep your code clean and organized. Now go to main.css and give style. First of all, give style to asterisk selector. This will be the common styling for all the components. Style we are giving for asterisk selector is aiming to normalize the default styles applied by browsers to elements, ensuring consistency across different browsers. Let's give some basic style to container. We are setting up very basic things like width, height, and background, etc. Let's run our file and check the results in the browser side by side. Same way, let's add styling to sidebar section and make it look beautiful. Let us style the other components also. We are done with the basic layout of the tool. In the next video, we will add other elements like text fields, buttons, etc., and make them functional.